To use the Studio Panel Guide tool in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once inside, create a new notebook or open an existing one, then add your sources such as PDFs, Google Docs, or YouTube links. NotebookLM needs these sources to generate any studio outputs. After your sources are uploaded, wait for them to finish processing. This step is important because the studio tools rely on fully indexed content to produce accurate results. Next, locate the Studio panel on the right side of the NotebookLM interface. This panel contains all the built-in generation tools that transform your sources into different formats. These include audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, quizzes, flashcards, reports, and slide decks. To use a studio tool, simply click on the option you want. Each tool is designed for a specific output type. For example, Audio Overview creates a podcast-style discussion, while Mind Map visually organizes concepts from your sources. Some studio tools allow optional guidance prompts. If available, you can type a short instruction to shape the output, such as focusing on key themes, simplifying explanations, or targeting a specific audience. This helps refine the final result based on your needs. After selecting the tool and optionally adding instructions, click Generate. NotebookLM will then process your sources using its AI models and create the requested output based strictly on your uploaded materials. Once generation is complete, you can open and review the result directly in the Studio panel. Depending on the tool, you may also be able to download, share, or regenerate the output with adjusted instructions. The Studio panel is especially useful for turning large amounts of information into structured formats like summaries, presentations, and study materials without manually rewriting content. And that's how you use the Studio Panel Guide tool in NotebookLM. Upload your sources, choose a studio tool, optionally guide the output, and generate structured AI results directly from your notebook.